Hi everyone, you are welcome to today's video. In this video I'm going to be constructing hyperbola by rectangular method. We have a question here. The question says a hyperbola has a span 100 mm, height 50 mm and directrix 40 mm. Draw the hyperbola using rectangular method. So this is not eccentricity method, so there won't be need for the eccentricity, so we are only using the rectangular method here because we are given the span, the height and directrix to be 40 mm. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to draw, let's draw this horizontal. Then I'm going to pick a point on the horizontal, pick a point. Okay, we'll pick this point now we are told that the span of the hyperbola, the span is 100. So I'm going to draw a vertical. I will draw a vertical line this way from that point. Okay, draw this. Okay, so we have that now. So the span is 100, so I'm going to take 100 this way. So this is my 100, so this will be the span. Okay, then from that point I'm going to draw, I will draw a horizontal line this way. Okay, so the height, I'm using this base now. I will be using the base for the height, and the height we are given from that question is 50. So this is 50. So I'm going to draw a perpendicular line from that 50. So with this we have a rectangular box which we are going to be using to draw the hyperbola now the next thing, we are given also the directrix to be 40. Okay, directrix to be 40. So I'm going to take the midpoint of this rectangle, take the midpoint which is 50. So from that 50 point now I will draw a horizontal line this way. So the directrix we are told is 40. So this point now will represent this place with F, which is our focus. So the directrix is 40. So this way. So this is, let's call this side G. You can actually use any alphabet of your choice. Okay, so this is GF is 40. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to be dividing this. Okay, let's give this side, let's call this side E, this midpoint, let's call it E now. Okay, so I'm going to be dividing this portion now. Okay, let's look at this place and give this side A. So this side is B, this side is C, and this side is D, as you can see there. So I'm going to be dividing AE now into any number of equal parts of my choice. Okay, I can choose 4 or 5. Okay, so if I choose to divide AE into 5, okay, I will transfer the same measurement to this part here. So if I divide AE into 12, don't to 5. Okay, to make it convenient and faster, we divided this AB into, the length of AB is 100, the span, which is the span, and AE is 50. So if I'm to divide this now, I can quickly just divide this into 5. So if I divide this into 5, I can have it like as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, as you can have it there. Okay, I can do the same thing here, just transfer same thing here quickly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. We have it that way, so we can number this as 1 here, this is 2, this is 3, 4, and then 5 here. Okay, same with this 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 this way, as we have it in that order. So I'm going to divide DA as well into the same number of equal parts I divided AE into. Okay, so I will divide this also into 5, and don't forget we have this height here to be 5, so that means I will just pick it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I need to tell us, if you have a length that cannot be easily divided from the ruler, all you just need to do is to use the method of line division to sort that out. So we just have 1 here, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 like we have over there. So let's give this 0 at this point now. Okay, so I'm going to transfer what we have here to this part, to the top, so you have it this way from this top now. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 that way. So we call this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, and then 5 like we have there. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to radiate lines from the focus to meet each of these division. So just go quickly this way, so you can see it there. Then from 2 this way, this way, then for the 5th part this way. Then I'll come to this other part as well, do same this way, this way, this way, this way, then this 5th part this way. So we have it this way. Then the next thing I'm going to do, from the directrix, I'm going to radiate lines from the directrix to meet each of these numbers here, each of this number at this side now. So we have for GE there already. Then I'll go to start with 5. Let me start with 5. So I'll go this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, then to this other side, this way, this way, this way, this way, then for the last part then. So we have it this way. Now the next thing, this is the most important aspect of the construction now, so that we can get out our curve. Now this is it. This is how you are going to get the curve out. So you go this way, from this one here, just trace it up. Okay, just trace it up and see where it coincides with the one for this side. I hope you can see that now. So this is the point here. Okay, this one and this one, where they both coincide, and of course this focus will be the vertex of the hyperbola. Okay, the turning point there. Now you go to 2, look at 2 and these 2, where they both intercept or coincide. So it's at this point. I hope you can see that. Now. So need to make so that we can see this very well. Let me. So when you look at this now, look at the next one, these three, where it coincides with this 3 coming this way. So they both meet at this point. I hope you can see that these 3 and these 3 coming this way. So we have that like that. The next one is 4. You see this 4 and this 4 here. You can see where it meets with this 4. Okay, I hope you can see that this line 4 goes this way and this 4, they both meet at this point here. Then 5, of course 5 will be this 5, okay, and the 5 here, they both meet at this point here. Okay, the two of them coincide at that point there. Now the next one is we do for the other part here above. So look at this part, this one and the 1 here. So we have it here. Then 2 and 2, we have it this way. Then 3 and 3, okay, coming like this. Then 4 and 4, okay. Then 5 and this 5, they both meet at this point. This 5 here and this 5 here meet at this point here. I hope you can see this. So the next thing I will do, I will just take my curve and smoothly join this point together. Then I'll join this point now. This way. Then I will join this other part this way. Okay. Then I join this part this way. Okay, this is the hyperbola using the the rectangular method. I hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. I'll see you in my next video. God bless you.